In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Directory Name Is Invalid error on a USB flash drive in Windows 11. First, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Wait a few seconds until Windows detects it. Now, open File Explorer. Click This PC. Check if your USB flash drive appears under Devices and Drives. If it appears but shows the Directory Name Is Invalid error, right-click the Windows button. Select Disk Management. Find your USB flash drive and make sure it has a drive letter. If the USB flash drive does not have a drive letter, right-click the partition. Select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add. Choose an available drive letter. Click OK. Now, open File Explorer again. If the error is still there, right-click the USB flash drive. Select Properties. Click the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click Check. Follow the on-screen instructions to repair the drive if Windows finds any errors. When the scan is complete, close the window. Unplug the USB flash drive. Wait a few seconds. Connect it again. Open File Explorer. Click This PC. Open the USB flash drive and check if the error has been fixed. That's it. This is how you can fix the Directory Name Is Invalid error on a USB flash drive in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.